Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the classification of alcohols. In the before lecture, we learn about the definition of alcohols and types of alcohols. And today we are going to discuss about the classification of alcohols. Alcohols are mainly classified into there are four different types: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, and polyhydric alcohol. And these alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, and polyhydric on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the molecule of that particular alcohol. And on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups, the alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, and polyhydric alcohol. So now we see one by one what is monohydric alcohol, what is dihydric alcohol, and so on. So firstly we see what is monohydric alcohol. So now listen, what is monohydric alcohol? Mono means single. Monohydric alcohol contain only one hydroxyl group in their molecule. Monohydric alcohols contain only one hydroxyl group. A hydroxyl group is the OH group, hydroxyl group. Examples are given of the monohydric alcohol: CH3OH, and second example is CH3CH2OH. CH3OH is nothing but the methanol, and methanol is the IUPAC name, and its common name is methyl alcohol. As only one hydroxyl group is present, it is monohydric alcohol. Then second example is CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the common name, and IUPAC name is ethanol. In the IUPAC names, as we see nomenclature of alcohols in the next lecture, but listen, the methanol, as only one carbon atom is present, its parent name is methane, and in the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, last E is replaced by OL, that is, and its IUPAC name is methanol, and second example's name is ethanol. So second type is the dihydric alcohol. Dihydric, di itself indicates this alcohol contains two hydroxyl groups. Dihydric alcohols is also called as diols and also called as glycols. DIOLs, diols and glycols. Dihydric alcohol contain two hydroxyl group present on the different carbon atoms. Dihydric alcohol contain two hydroxyl groups present on different or situated on different carbon atoms. An example is given. Examples. This example contain two hydroxyl groups, so it is dihydric alcohol, and its IUPAC name is, as the example contain two carbon atoms, so its parent alkane is ethane, and its IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. 1,2 indicates the position of hydroxyl group, and its IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. Diol because it is dihydric alcohol, so its IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. So next type is the trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol is also called as triols, and it is also called as glycerol. Trihydric alcohol contains three hydroxyl groups situated on different carbon atoms. Tri means three. These alcohols contain three hydroxyl groups present or situated on different carbon atoms. The example is given. The example contains three hydroxyl groups. There are three carbon atoms, so its parent name is propane, and its IUPAC name is propane 1,2,3-triol. 1,2,3 indicates the position of hydroxyl group. As the example contains three hydroxyl group, it is trihydric alcohol, and its name is also glycerol. Trihydric alcohols are also called as triols and glycerols. So propane 1,2,3-triol is also called as glycerol. And next and final type is the polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol contain, as the name poly indicates, more than two or three. Polyhydric alcohol contain more than three hydroxyl group. As we already know, the compound which contain three hydroxyl group, the names of compound which contain three hydroxyl group, two hydroxyl group, one hydroxyl group. So polyhydric alcohol contain more than three hydroxyl groups in their molecule, and the compound which contain more than three hydroxyl groups are called as polyhydric alcohol. The example is given. The example contains 6 carbon atoms, so it is hexahydric alcohol. The name is hexahydric alcohol, and its common name is sorbitol. The example contains 6 hydroxyl groups, so it is the example of polyhydric alcohol, and its common name is sorbitol or hexahydric alcohol. So today we learn about the classification of alcohols on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups present in the molecule, and alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol.